Welcome to our channel. Let's explore how you can easily check your free credit score and report every step of the way. Welcome to our channel. Let's explore how you can easily check your free credit score and report every step of the way. Knowing your credit score is crucial for managing your financial health and making informed decisions on loans or credit cards. Let's dive into a simple step-by-step process so you can check your credit score and report without any hassle. Step 1. Determine where to check your credit score and report for free. Many websites offer this service, including annualcreditreport.com, which provides free credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus. Once a year, another popular option is credit monitoring services that often offer free credit scores as part of their package. Step 2. Gather the necessary information before you start the process. Make sure you have some key personal details ready, such as your full name, social security number, date of birth, and current address. This information is required to verify your identity and access your report securely. Step 3. Access the website or app. Go to the trusted site you chose, like annualcreditreport.com, or download a reputable credit monitoring app. Make sure the site is secure. Check for HTTPS in the URL and avoid public Wi-Fi during the process. Step 4. Fill out the request form. Enter your information accurately on the site. This usually includes providing full legal name, current and previous addresses for the past couple of years, social security number, and date of birth. Double-check for any typos, as this could delay the process. Step 5. Select which credit reports to get. You can choose to view your credit reports from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, either one at a time or all at once, depending on the website. Some allow you to see all 3 for free once per year, while others may give you a free credit score instantly. Step 6. Review your credit report carefully. Once you access your report, examine all sections carefully, including your personal info, credit, accounts, payment history, inquiries, and any public records. If you find any inaccuracies or suspicious activities, report them immediately to the credit bureau. Step 7. Understand your credit score. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. It ranges typically between 300 and 850. A higher score means better credit health. Use your credit report to understand the factors impacting your score, such as payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit and credit mix. Step 8. Use your credit report and score to plan next steps. Regularly checking your credit can help you spot identity theft early, improve your financial habits, and qualify for better loan or credit card offers. Set reminders to check your reports at least once a year or more frequently if you are working on rebuilding credit or monitoring identity theft. Protect your financial future by staying informed about your credit health. Remember, always use secure connections and trusted websites to access your financial data. If you follow these steps, you will master the process of checking your free credit score and report effortlessly and confidently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on more essential financial tips and tricks.